subscribe. Welcome kids to the world of ABC. Let's learn letters with fun music. We'll dance, we'll sing, we'll shout hooray. Come along, it's time to play. G is for giraffe, so tall and bright, stretching his neck to a wonderful height. Munch, munch on the leaves so green, the tallest animal you've ever seen. H is for horse who gallops so fast, running and jumping, having a blast. Clipping clop, hear the sound, trotting, trotting all around me. I is for Iguana, green and cool, climbing trees is his golden rule. Sunning himself on a rock so high, blink, blink, he closes his eyes. A is for Jaguar, strong and fast, running through the jungle so quick to dash. Pounce, pounce, watch him go, leap so high and land down low. J is for Jaguar, strong and fast, roaring through the jungle so quick to dash. Pounce, pounce, watch him go, leap so high and land down low. K is for Kangaroo, jumping so high, boing, boing, up to the sky.